Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to be taking a look at the Pro Circuit pipe that was on my YZ85 engine. There's a couple of dings and dents in here that I want to try and get out. Some of them are going to be pretty hard though. This one's right on the weld line and it's got a couple different creases to it. I also have a bunch of small little dings in here, but we'll see if we can get those out. I picked up this kit off of eBay and it should come with everything I need to cap both ends and then put a little bit of air pressure in here and heat up the outside. That should allow the dents to lift out. So let's get this set up on the pipe. All right, so I got the pipe set up in my vise and we're gonna start real low with about 40 pounds of air pressure in there. And we're gonna heat this up till it's nice and cherry red and hopefully it'll just press that out. I've also got eyes and ears on just in case anything goes wrong. You know, two-stroke pipes are full of old oil and if that comes out superheated, that would be a bad time. Alright, I do have a tiny leak from where the rear mounting point is, but it's pretty slow, so I might just have to juice it up once we heat this. If this is giving me problems, I'll throw some high temp RTV on it, let it cure overnight, and then give it a shot again tomorrow, but let's see if we can get this out with the pressure that we got. Alright, I'm not playing around with propane anymore. I went and picked up some MAP gas. I'm pretty stoked with the results here. This was the big dent and there's only two little tiny dents left. A little low spot here and here. Otherwise, it's pretty much perfect. And then I took out a little bit of this crease up here. This was a hard one to get out. And then there was a nice ding here. That's basically gone. You can barely feel the divot there. I wasn't able to get this one out. I heated it up a few times and just couldn't push it out. On the back side, this top one came out pretty nicely. There's still a gouge in the metal, but the dent's gone. And then this one, I wasn't able to get out completely. It started actually bulging on either side instead of lifting the center. Like I said, overall pretty stoked for how it came out. First go, blowing out dents in a pipe. So as you saw, I started out with the propane. It just didn't get hot enough to really raise any of the dents in the thicker sections. It did work on the thinner ones, but it took forever. The MAP gas is definitely the way to go. Heats up super fast, gets it cherry red, and it lifts all these dents right out. I only used between 40 and 60 psi to do this. I've seen people go up to 100. I wasn't super comfortable with that. I probably could get some of these out if I went a little higher in the pressure, but the kit was only rated for 40 psi, and pushing it to more than double that I wasn't super comfortable with. The pipe looks so much better without all these dents, but it's still really dirty. So I think it's time to invest in some cleaning wheels and polish this up a bit. But thanks for hanging out with me in the garage. I'll see you in the next one.